Hello class, so for our week 14 topic, so we're going to discuss about the sorting algorithm. So ang idea class ng sorting algorithm is we have a series of number that we're going to sort the series of number in form of ascending or descending order. Okay? So meron tayong different kinds of sorting algorithm. So yung unang i-discuss nating algorithm is the use of the bubble sort. So the idea of the bubble sort is this is a simplest form of algorithm that works by passing adjacent element repeatedly until it reach its order. Okay? So, ang idea ng bubble sort class is kino-compare niya yung kada element niya dun sa kada element ng series of number. Then, kapag ang value ng number is mas mababa dun sa katabi niyang elements, automatic is nagsuswap sila ng position. Okay? So, yun yung idea ng bubble sort. Okay? So, yung bubble sort is like a bubble. So, doon nag-base yung idea ng bubble sort. Wherein, kung ano yung pinaka-lightest bubble, siya yung pumupunta sa or umaakit doon sa itaas. Okay? So, yun yung idea ng bubble sort. Okay? So, magbibigay ako ng example with the bubble sort. So, for example here, meron tayong given element which is equivalent to 5, 1, 4, 2, and 8. So, ang gagawin natin, class, is we're going to sort this series of number in form of ascending order using the bubble sort. Okay? So, first, mag-add muna tayo ng text box para maisa-isa natin kung paano nagsuswap yung element natin. Okay, so ang given natin is 5, 1, 4, 2, then you have here 8. Okay? So, yung unang step ng bubble sort class is magkukumpara si first element do sa second element nyo. Kung ascending order tayo class, kapag mas mababa yung value ni second element sa first element nyo, automatic is magpapalit sila ng position. Okay? So, since mas mababa si 1K5, automatic is magsuswap or magsuswitch sila ng position. Okay? So, ito ngayon magiging 1, 5, 4, 2, then you have here 8. Okay? The next is, magkukumpara si second element sa third element nyo. Since si 4 ay mas mababa kay 5, so magsiswitch sila ng position. Okay? So, ang magiging bagong series of number natin is magiging 1, 4, 5, 2, and this one is equivalent to 8. Okay? Next is, magkukumpara si third element kay fourth element. Since 2 is mas mababa kay 5, so again, magpapalit sila ng position. So this will become 1, 4, 2, 5, and this one is equivalent to 8. So, after ng class is, ang magkukumpara naman is yung ika-4 na element and yung ika-5 element. Okay? So, since 8 is greater than na doon sa value ng 5, so wala nang switching na mangyayari. Okay? Pero, kung titignan natin yung ating series of number, hindi pa rin siya naka-ascending form. So, ang gagawin ng program nyo, magkakaroon tayo ng second passing, wherein babalik sa una at pangalawang elements yung program natin at magkukumpara uli sila. Since 4 already mas malaki sa 1, so i-skip na niya yung part wherein mag-switch ng position si first and second element. Therefore, magpo-proceed siya sa second and third element. Since ito ay mas mababa kay 4, so ang gagawin ay mag-switch uli sila ng position. So, ang magiging value ngayon is 1, 2, 4, 5, and this one is equivalent to 8. Okay? So, again, ang gagawin ng program natin is magpo-proceed siya sa third and fourth element. Since si 5 is mas mataas na kay 4, so wala nang switching na mangyayari. So, again, magkukumpara si 5 and 8. So, since nasa position na sila, so wala nang switching na mangyayari. Okay? So, therefore, automatic is nag-sort ang series of number natin in form of ascending order. Okay? Ngayon, class, is gagawa tayo ng program using the C++ gamit yung logic or algorithm na bubble sort. Okay? Ang gagawin muna natin class is magde-declare tayo ng array. Okay? So, since meron tayong 5 elements, so, i-declare natin integer items. Okay? So, set natin siya as 5 is equal to, ang laman ng array natin is 5, 1, 4, 2, then you have here 8. Okay? Then you have semicolon. Okay? So, anong unang gagawin natin? Kailangan natin mag-declare ng variable temp. Okay? So, gagamitin natin itong temp na to mamaya para pag nag-swap ng value, yung kada elements natin is si temp, yung temporary mag-hold ng value habang nagpapasan sila. Okay? So, yun yung idea niya. Okay? Declare tayo ng integer A and also integer J para sa dalawang nested for loop natin mamaya. Okay? Next is, ang gagawin muna natin is i-output muna natin tong series of number natin. So, kailangan natin ng for loop dito. So, for integer x is equal to 0, x is less than, so ilang elements meron tayo? Meron tayong 5. So, ang limit natin hanggang 5. Then, you have x increment. Okay? Open, then another close here. So, i-output muna natin yung series of number natin. So, cout natin to. Okay? So, ito ngayon magiging items. So, ang ating counter is x. Okay? So, para mag-separate sila, ito ng counter. Okay? Para hindi mag-dikit-dikit yung kada elements natin. So, you have here semicolon. Okay? So, check muna natin kung lalabas yung series of number natin. Okay? So, nakita natin lumabas yung value ng series of number natin which is equivalent to 5, 1, 4, 2, 8. So, hindi pa siya nakasort ng ascending order. So, hindi pa natin nagagawa ng program yan. So, ang ginawa lang natin, dinisplay lang natin yung series of number natin. Okay? Ang next step naman natin, class, is gagawa na tayo ng sort or magsosort na tayo. So, if we're going to use the bubble sort, kailangan natin ng dalawang for loop. Okay? So, first is we have A. Okay, it's equivalent to 0. A is less than N. Okay, so set na natin yung N dito. A integer N is equal to 5. Okay, yung 5 class, ito yung number ng series of number na. Kung ilang series of number yan. Okay, so set natin to as N. Okay, then this is a increment. Okay, open. So, yun yung unang outer loop nyo. Then, another inner loop. Ito is balik J. So, yung A equate 0. Pagdating kay J, balik to 1. J is less than. Okay, gagawin nyo is yung N, yung number of element nyo, ima-minus nyo sa counter ng outer loop nyo. Then this one is J increment. Okay, so another open. So since may dalawang open kayo dun sa dalawang nested for loop nyo, kailangan nyo ng dalawang close dito. Okay? After nyan classes, magkukumpara na tayo ng kada element. So ang gagawin nyo class, magkakaroon tayo ng condition. If items, okay, then ito is J minus 1, okay, is greater than items, ito ngayon ay si J, okay, then open, then another close bracket sa baba. Okay, so ano idea niyang class? Okay, so yung unang value ng J nyo is equivalent to 1. Ito yung inner loop nyo. Okay, so sa inner loop, ang unang value ni J is 1. So J is 1 minus 1 is 0. So, ulang element nyo. J is equivalent. So, mag-proceed siya dito sa pangalawang element. So, kada kukumpara niya si first element sa second element. Ten classes, kung mas malaki itong first element sa second element niyo, kailangan nilang magpalit ng position. Okay? So, since mas malaki sa 5K1, ang gagawin is ito si Ella. Dito natin gagamitin si temp. So, temp is equivalent to items, okay, j minus 1, okay? Then, si items j minus 1, ipapasa niya yung value ni second element, which is items j. Okay? So, ang mangyayari class, i-assign ni second position ni 1 yung value niya dito sa una, which is si j minus 1. Okay? Ngayon, itong si second item o si second element, okay, which is j, ipapasa naman niya yung value nung una, which is temporary hinold ni temp. So, lagay niyo yung temp dito, then you have here semicolon. Okay? So, this time, nagpalit si 5 and 1. Si 1 ngayon mapupunta sa unahan, si 5 ngayon mapupunta dun sa second niya. Okay? So, pag nag-for loop na or nag-loop na, yung inner loop nyo, automatic magtutuloy ninyo. So, since ito, mag-proceed naman siya dito sa third. Sila naman dalawa. Okay? So, hanggang sa pakuha na niya yung kada element. Okay? So, yun yung idea niya. Okay? Ngayon, para mapalabas natin yung kada swapping ng element natin, ilalagay natin yung for loop dito sa reps. Pero bago yan, maglagay muna tayo ng backslash n dito. Okay? Ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng for loop para mai-output natin isa-isa yung switching of element natin. Lagay natin x is equal to 0, x is less than n, pwedeng n, pwedeng 5, x increment. Okay? Open, then another close here. Okay? Lagay nyo rito ay cout. Ito ay items x. Okay? Then para elements nyo, lagay kayo rito na. Okay? Then, pwede tayo maglagay rito ng semicolon. Okay? So, check natin kung ano magiging output ng program natin. Okay? So, yan. Unang napalabas natin yung given nating set of elements. So, yung 5, 1, 4, 2, 8. Sa unang switch, nagpalit si 1 and 5. So, naging 1, 5, 4, 2, 8. So, nagpalit si 5 and 4. Naging 1, 4, 5, 2, 3. Next is nagpalit si 5 and 2. Then, hanggang sa nag-sort na yung series of number natin. Okay? This time class, ito is in form of ascending order. How about gusto nyo naman is in form of descending order. Okay? So, para mag-descending order yan, papalitan nyo lang yung part ng nagkumpara sila. Tignan yan. Okay? Ano natin? So, mapapansin nyo na descending order siya. Okay? So, na nag-switch sila ng system ng seeds. Okay? So, for the next topic, please see the next video. Thank you, lecturers.